In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to void a check from prior year in QuickBooks Online. Before we start, a quick reminder. Voiding a prior year check can change historical reports, so make sure you truly intend to void it and, if needed, coordinate with your accountant. Open your browser and head to the QuickBooks Online website. From the home page, click Sign In and log in with your account. If you have access to multiple companies, choose the company file you want to work in so you're adjusting the right books. Once you're in, look to the upper right and click the Settings gear icon. From there, select All Lists. This takes you to a central place where QuickBooks keeps lists that control how transactions behave. Choose Payment Methods. On this page, find the payment method labeled Check. On its row, click Run Report. This report shows transactions that use the check method, which is a helpful way to isolate the check you need to address. If the check is from a prior year, update the report date range to include that period. You can also sort or use the search box to narrow the list until you spot the exact check. When you find it, click the check number to open the transaction. Take a moment to review the details, confirm the payee, the bank account, the date, and the amount, and make sure you're looking at the check that needs to be voided. This is a good time to add a clear memo explaining why you're voiding it, so anyone reviewing your audit trail later understands the context. At the bottom of the check form, click More. From the menu that appears, select Void. QuickBooks will warn you that the transaction will be set to 0 while preserving an audit trail. Confirm to proceed. If your company uses a closing date for prior periods, you may see a prompt or warning. Follow your company's policy before continuing. After the void, the check will remain in your records with an amount of 0 and a memo indicating it was voided. If you refresh the report you ran earlier, you should see that change reflected. Keep in mind that voiding a prior year transaction can affect reconciliations and financial statements for that period, so if your books are closed, ensure you have the appropriate authorization and document the reason in the memo. That's it. You've navigated to QuickBooks Online, found the prior year check via payment methods and the report, reviewed the transaction, and voided it while keeping a clean audit trail for your records.